Welcome to Martial Art Swap Chats. Today we have the move of the day with Master Danillo Belfort.
Hey, what's up guys? So let's get going. What I'm going to show you guys is the O-Soto-Gari. It's a leg sweep, okay? So how are we going to do this? First thing, we got to control the wrist. So in the clinch, we control the arm, control the neck. Second thing we need to do here is step parallel to his foot, okay? And then my chest goes on his chest. And then I sweep his leg right here in between. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how you do. Step, sweep. Right? One more time. So we control the bicep. Step, chest in the chest, sweep. Right? One more time. So we control the bicep. Step, chest in the chest, sweep, right?
That was great, guys. Hey, listen, up next is the kimchi challenge. Are you ready for some kimchi?
We'll see it, hopefully.